Let's get real. Belly fat isn't just about looks. It's not simply a cosmetic concern that fades with a change of clothes. It goes much deeper than that, impacting your overall well-being in ways you might not even realize. We're talking about a type of fat that can significantly affect your health and quality of life. It's a daily frustration for millions, a constant battle fought in front of mirrors and on scales. This isn't just a personal struggle. It's a widespread issue affecting people of all ages, backgrounds, and body types. The emotional toll can be heavy, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, chipping away at confidence, eroding self-esteem with each passing day. It's that nagging voice in the back of your head, constantly reminding you of perceived flaws and imperfections. This can impact your social life, your relationships, and even your career, and making you feel like you're failing, even when you try everything. You've tried countless diets, spent hours at the gym, and yet that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It's disheartening and can lead to a sense of hopelessness, making you question your efforts and your ability to achieve your goals. But this isn't just vanity, it's a health issue. Excess belly fat, particularly visceral fat that surrounds your organs, poses serious risks to your well-being. It's not just about how you look, it's about your long-term health and the potential for developing life-threatening conditions. Belly fat is a warning sign, a red flag signaling potential health problems down the road. It's your body's way of telling you that something isn't right, and that you need to take action to protect your health. Ignoring this warning sign can have serious consequences. Linked to heart disease, increasing your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. The fat around your abdomen releases substances that can raise cholesterol levels and blood pressure, putting a strain on your heart. Diabetes, significantly increasing your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Belly fat interferes with your body's ability to use insulin properly, leading to high blood sugar levels and a host of related complications, and even cancer. Studies have shown a link between excess belly fat and an increased risk of certain types of cancer, including colon, breast, and endometrial cancer. The inflammatory substances released by belly fat can contribute to the development and progression of these diseases. Losing it means taking control of your health and future. It's about reducing your risk of chronic diseases, improving your energy levels, and enhancing your overall quality of life. It's an investment in your long-term well-being and a commitment to a healthier, happier you. So why is it so stubborn? What makes belly fat so resistant to diet and exercise? It often feels like it has a mind of its own, clinging on despite your best efforts. Because belly fat is biologically different. It's not the same as the fat stored in other parts of your body. It has unique characteristics that make it more difficult to lose. It's more metabolically active, meaning it releases hormones and other substances that can affect your appetite, metabolism, and overall health. This metabolic activity can actually work against you, making it harder to lose weight and keep it off, and responds to hormones, genetics, and lifestyle. Your genes, hormonal imbalances, stress levels, and dietary choices all play a role in how your body stores and burns belly fat. Understanding these factors is crucial for developing an effective weight loss strategy. Forget quick fixes. This is about real, lasting change. Fad diets and extreme exercise routines might offer temporary results, but they're not sustainable in the long run. We're talking about making fundamental changes to your lifestyle that will support your health and well-being for years to come. We'll break down the science, separating fact from fiction and providing you with evidence-based information you can trust. We'll explore the complex mechanisms that govern belly fat storage and metabolism, giving you a deeper understanding of how your body works, and give you strategies that actually work. No more guesswork or wasted effort. We'll provide you with a clear roadmap to success, outlining specific steps you can take to reduce belly fat and improve your overall health. From what you eat, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and support healthy metabolism. We'll help you make smarter food choices that will reduce inflammation, balance your hormones, and promote fat burning. To how you think, cultivating a positive mindset and developing healthy coping mechanisms for stress. Your mental and emotional well-being are just as important as your physical health when it comes to losing belly fat and keeping it off. This is about a lifestyle transformation. It's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that you can enjoy for the rest of your life. It's about making choices that support your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. No more frustration, just empowerment. You'll gain the knowledge, tools, and support you need to take control of your health and achieve your goals. You'll feel confident, energized, and empowered to live your best life. You have the strength to change your body and your life. You are capable of achieving remarkable things when you set your mind to it. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams. It starts right here, right now. This is your moment to take action and begin your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Don't wait another day to start making positive changes in your life. Let's get to work. Together, we can unlock your full potential and achieve lasting transformation. Let's embark on this journey together, supporting each other every step of the way. Not all belly fat is the same. Subcutaneous fat is the pinchable layer under your skin, less dangerous but still not ideal. The real threat is visceral fat, hidden deep around your organs. Visceral fat releases harmful substances, raising your risk for chronic diseases. It's tough to lose because it's driven by hormones like cortisol, especially when you're stressed. Chronic stress tells your body to store more fat in your belly. Stubborn belly fat also hangs on due to poor blood flow and specific fat cell receptors. That's why your arms or face might slim down first. Understanding this science is the first step to beating it. Now let's talk about what you can do. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. No matter how many miles you log on the treadmill or how many hours you spend lifting weights, if your diet isn't in check, you'll struggle to see the results you want. Exercise is crucial for overall health, but when it comes to your waistline, what you eat plays an even bigger role. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out. The main culprits behind belly fat? Let's dive into the dietary factors that contribute to that stubborn abdominal bulge. It's not just about calories, it's about the type of calories you're consuming. Sugar and processed carbs. These are often hidden in plain sight, lurking in your favorite snacks, drinks, and even seemingly healthy foods. These spike your blood sugar, causing a cascade of hormonal responses in your body. It's like a roller coaster for your metabolism, causing insulin to store excess energy as belly fat. Insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar, becomes less effective over time, leading to insulin resistance and increased fat storage, particularly around your midsection. This is a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break. The fix stabilize blood sugar by eating whole nutrient-dense foods. This means prioritizing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats at every meal. This trifecta is the key to sustained energy, reduced cravings, and effective weight management. Protein keeps you full and boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. It's the building block of your body, essential for muscle repair and growth. Think chicken, fish, eggs, or legumes. These are all excellent sources of lean protein that can be easily incorporated into your diet. Fiber from veggies, fruits, and whole grains slows digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing overeating, and prevents fat-storing insulin spikes. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you're telling your body to burn fat for fuel, rather than store it. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables. This is a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're getting enough fiber, vitamins, and minerals without excess calories. Swap sugary breakfasts for eggs and berries, a protein and antioxidant-rich start to your day. You'll stay full longer. This will help you avoid mid-morning crashes and unhealthy snacking. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil help control hunger, keeping you satisfied between meals, and support hormones. These fats are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Ditch trans fats and processed oils. These inflammatory fats can wreak havoc on your metabolism and contribute to weight gain. Simple swaps, like almonds instead of chips, can significantly impact your calorie intake and nutrient profile. Make a big difference. Small, consistent changes add up over time, leading to sustainable results. It's not about deprivation but smarter choices. Focus on adding nutrient-rich foods to your diet, rather than restricting yourself. Your kitchen is where the transformation starts. Stock it with healthy ingredients and create an environment that supports your goals. Let's make it count. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and move closer to your goals. Crunches won't melt belly fat. You can't spot reduce, you need full body fat loss. High-intensity interval training, IIT, is your best bet. Short bursts of effort, quick recovery, big results. Try 30 seconds of intense movement, then rest, repeat for 15-20 minutes. Add strength training too. 3 times a week muscle burns more calories even at rest. Focus on compound moves, squats, lunges, push-ups, rows. Don't underestimate daily movement. Walk, take the stairs, stay active. Even small activities add up and help burn extra calories. Consistency beats perfection. Move with purpose and your belly will follow. No fancy equipment needed, just commitment. Let's get moving. Diet and exercise matter, but stress and sleep can sabotage everything. Chronic stress raises cortisol, telling your body to store belly fat and crave junk food. Poor sleep throws your hunger hormones out of balance, making you hungrier and less satisfied. Less than 8 hours a night? Your body fights against your fat loss goals. Prioritize stress management. Deep breaths, short walks, or a favorite song can help. Make sleep non-negotiable. It's as important as your workouts. When you manage stress and sleep, your body finally gets the signal to let go of belly fat. Don't ignore these silent saboteurs. They're the missing link in your progress. Time for action. Don't overhaul everything. Start small and build habits. Step 1. Clean out your kitchen. Toss the junk, stock up on lean proteins, veggies, healthy fats, and whole grains. Step 2. Plan your plate. Half veggies, a quarter protein, a quarter healthy fat, or complex carb. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Step 3. Schedule your workouts. 3 height sessions and 2 strength sessions a week. No gym, no problem. Bodyweight moves work. On off days, walk for 30 minutes. Consistency is key. An okay workout done regularly beats a perfect one you never do. Start with what you can stick to. Build momentum with small wins. Your journey starts with 1 step. Let's make it happen. Life gets in the way. It throws curveballs, schedules get packed, and suddenly, healthy habits take a back seat. We all know the feeling. The demands of work, family, and social life can quickly overshadow our best intentions. But don't worry, let's tackle real-world obstacles. We're not aiming for perfection, just progress. It's about finding practical solutions that fit into your unique lifestyle, not the other way around. Busy professional? Juggling meetings, deadlines, and emails? It's a common challenge. Prep meals on Sunday, dedicate a couple of hours to set yourself up for success during the week. Grill chicken, roast veggies, batch cooking is your secret weapon. Portion out healthy lunches. This eliminates guesswork and prevents impulsive, unhealthy choices when you're short on time. Exhausted parent? Between school runs, playdates, and bedtime stories, finding time for yourself can feel impossible. Find micro habits, small, manageable changes that add up over time. 15-minute hide at home, squeeze in a quick workout while the kids are occupied. Walk instead of drive, opt for active transportation whenever possible. 2-minute stress breaks. Incorporate mindfulness into your day with short meditation sessions. Social butterfly, love dining out with friends and family. Check menus before eating out. Plan your meal in advance to make healthier choices. Fill your plate with protein and veggies. Prioritize nutrient-rich options. Limit alcohol, and alternate with water. Stay hydrated and mindful of your beverage choices. Emotional eater? Do you turn to food when you're stressed, bored, or sad? Create a pattern, interrupt. Break the cycle of emotional eating. Call a friend, take a walk, find alternative ways to cope with your emotions. Journal or listen to music, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Instead of reaching for food, identify your triggers and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Ask yourself, am I really hungry or just feeling something else? Cultivate self-awareness and understand your emotional needs. Small strategies make a big difference. Consistency is key to long-term success. Integrate health into your life. Don't add more stress. Make it a sustainable part of your routine. Preparation and planning beat willpower every time. Set yourself up for success by creating a supportive environment. You can overcome any hurdle with the right approach. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Don't let challenges derail you. Setbacks are a normal part of the process. Adapt and keep moving forward. Learn from your mistakes and adjust your strategy as needed. Progress is about persistence, not perfection. Focus on making small, consistent improvements over time. Every obstacle has a solution. Get creative and explore different strategies to overcome challenges. Stay flexible, stay focused. Maintain a balanced approach to health and wellness. You've got this. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. This isn't a 30-day sprint. It's a lifelong journey. The goal is habits so automatic you don't have to think about them. Progress isn't linear. You'll have ups and downs. Slip-ups aren't failure. Just get back on track with your next choice. Connect your habits to your deeper why: energy, confidence, health for loved ones. Write down your reasons and keep them visible. Track progress beyond the scale. Measure your waist, notice your energy, celebrate non-scale victories. Transformation is about consistency, not perfection. Your next meal, your next workout, they're all new chances. Make healthy your default. Here's the truth: you have the power to change. The strategies are here, but you have to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. Clean up your diet, move your body, manage stress and sleep. These are your pillars of success. Forget past failures, today is a new start. You're not defined by your belly fat, you can create new habits and a new future. Believe in your ability to change. Start small, clean a shelf, take a walk, drink water. Build momentum and never give up on yourself. You're capable of more than you think. The fight for your health is the most important one. Let's win it together.